is Friday. It is Vlogmas day 8 and I'm very behind on videos. So I was thinking for today, I have nothing exciting going on. I have to go into the office in Japantown. It is freezing cold outside and yeah, I have nothing really fun happening tonight. So today is going to be a boring day in the office. So what I was thinking of doing is just like a clean with me for the kitchen. The kitchen is the one that needs cleaning, and I need to, my goal, fingers crossed, is to like take the garbage out tonight. The way the garbage service works in my building is that the garbage passes by on 3 days a week, and usually Friday is the last day of the week that they come by. So Friday, Saturday, Sunday, you accumulate a bunch of garbage until Monday. And unfortunately, my building on weekends, like, I don't know what people do, but people throw out like a ton of garbage over the weekend. Like one time somebody like threw out those giant luggage bags and put it in the bin, and it took up half the bin, and by like Saturday night the bin was overflowing with garbage. So I gotta just beat everybody to the garbage cans. The other thing is I have to do my dishes. I haven't done my dishes in a while. Yeah, and I gotta clean the stove, which is my least favorite thing to do. The stove here is like super cute and all, but because it's completely stainless steel and I don't think I quite know how to clean stainless steel, like for it to not look streaky, I absolutely hate it, because in my eyes it looks streaky, and then when I look at it in one angle it looks like completely nice and shiny, and my perfectionism kicks in and I start being like, ugh, it's not perfect. So we gotta clean that up, put the rice cooker away. Yeah, so that's the plan for tonight. Hopefully I get to edit some videos. I think I'm not going to do weekend vlogs, because my plan so far is I want to go visit my mom and my grandma, and I don't want to block that. And and then I don't know what I'm doing with my other day, but I'm like, maybe I should just take it as a catch up and take it as editing days. But yeah, I gotta get going to work. I have my, I think I'm going to change sweaters to something thicker, because it is currently 48 degrees outside. It's freezing, and the high still goes to 57. Go ahead and change my sweater maybe to something a little warmer, because I'm going to be regretting it in the afternoon if the highest everything is going to go is 57.